Hi, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the September Leetcode Challenge Week 4 problem, Day 22, Majority Element 2. Now let's have a look at the problem statement. Given an integer array of size n, find all the elements that appear more than n by 3 times. Okay. Note the algorithm should run in linear time and in O of 1 space. Okay. Now let's have a look at the example. Example 1 says we have an input array of 3 elements 3, 2, 3. Okay. And the output is 3. Now let's understand this. So because we have 3 elements, n becomes 3. So 3 by 3 is 1 according to n by 3 times formula. So now we'll calculate the occurrence of each element. 3 occurs twice and as you can see 2 occurs one time. So we have to find out elements that occur more than one times. That is, count of occurrence should be more than 1. And 3 is satisfying that condition, so our output is 3 here. Now let's have a look at the second example. Input array reads 1 1 1 3 3 2 2 2. So here the input size is 8. Why? Because the number of elements in the input array comes out to be 8. Okay, so now we'll calculate the formula n by 3 that comes out to be 2.6. So first we'll count the occurrence of each element. That is 1 occurs 3 times, 3 occurs 2 times and 2 as we can see occurs 3 times. So according to our formula, the output should be 1 and 2 because they occur more than 2.6 times. So we return an output array with elements 1 and 2. I hope it's clearer to you. Now let's read the hint. How many majority elements could it possibly have? Do you have a better hint? Suggest it. Okay. It should become more clearer to you once we code. So let's quickly dive into the code. Here I am dividing our code into two passes. Initially, if I'll check if the input array is empty, then we can simply return an empty list. Now I'll declare 4 variables, count 1 and count 2 as 0 and candidate 1 and candidate 2 as none. Now we are ready for the first pass. I'll run a loop over our input array. Now I'll check if a candidate 1 equals to n. In that case, I'll increase the count 1 by 1. Otherwise, I'll check if candidate 2 equals to n. In that case, I'll increment the count 2 counter. Now I'll check if count 1 equals to 0. In that case, I'll increment the count 1 counter by 1 and update candidate 1 to n. I'll do the same for count 2 here. Now, at last I will decrement the count 1 and count 2 by 1. Now we are ready for a second pass. So here I'll declare an empty result list. Now I'll run a for loop for I if they are in candidate 1 and candidate 2. If count of I is greater than the length of array divided by 3, in that case I'll append the result with I. At last, let's return our result list. Now let's try running the code. At last, now let's return our result list and now let's try running our code. Now let's try submitting it. And it's done. You can join my Discord server and Telegram channel for regular updates. You can find the code at my GitHub repository. Link is available in the description box below. If you wish to connect with me on other social platforms, the link is mentioned in the description box below. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.